Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Berry County, Stone County, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flat Creek, Pine Run, Rayleigh Creek, and the lower James River will be impacted by this excessive rainfall.
Good luck, Thrift.
Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source:
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Berry County, Stone.
Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Branson, Kimberling City, Silver Dollar City, Crane.
Our best.
Dollar City, Crane, Reed Spring, Indian Point, Branson West, and Galena. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Berry and Stone.